A lot of modern mantel clocks use quartz movements. These aren't really repairable in the traditional sense, but if you have a mantel clock with a mechanical movement, it will need maintenance and repair from time to time. For most maintenance and repair, you will have to take the movement out of the clock. In this video, we will walk you through the most common ways to remove a movement from a mantel clock. As with all mechanical clocks, the hands need to come off before you attempt to take the movement out. Unscrew the hand nut and carefully slide the hands off the post. We recommend placing the clock face down on a soft surface once the hands are removed. Some mantel clocks have pendulums. If yours has one, go ahead and remove that too before placing the clock face down. For balance-driven movements, avoid touching the hairspring. If that gets bent or squashed, your clock will stop keeping time. Grab the movement by the edges once you unfasten it. Some clocks have the movement fastened inside with mounting brackets or arms. You can access these through the back panel of the clock. There will be a screw or two attaching the arms or brackets to the case. Unscrew these and your movement should come free. Dial posts and pins are another way your movement may be attached. This means the movement is fastened directly to the face. Carefully remove the pins. Once all are removed, you can separate the face from the movement. Higher-end mantel clocks may have the movement attached to the bottom of the case with mounting posts or screws, or sometimes both. This means the dial will also be attached directly to the movement. We do not recommend removing this type of movement on your own. Bring this to a clock repair professional. These are the most common ways to remove a mantel clock movement. Keep in mind, there may be odd variations out there that we did not cover in this video, so please examine your clock carefully. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment down below. For finished clocks, movements, and replacement parts, head over to emperorclock.com.